We are going to finish this topic about the project window with some useful tips. Imagine you are in a file, but you don't know where it is located in the hierarchy structure. Well, you have this button here in order to show it up. Very useful. I use it a lot. Another option would be just to do it automatically. You have two options here: automatically scroll to source or automatically scroll from source. What does it mean? One of them is to show the source in the editor when you select the file. For example, as you can see here, that's scroll to source. It has been selected. If I choose main2 is going to be selected in the editor window. And another one is what happens if I select a file in the editor. Is it going to show up in the project window? In order to do that, you have to enable the other one, auto scroll from source, and then it is going to be selected automatically. Those are very useful. Another thing we have is how to sort these items here within the directory. As you can see here, they are sorted alphabetically, but maybe we would like to see them by type. So we have here another option called sort by type. Right now they have been reorganized in order to show interfaces first and classes last. Another pretty interesting thing we can do here is searching. For example, if I place myself within the root node and I search for main, they will be highlighted. But the search is going to only to be performed within visible nodes. That means if I collapse and I search for main, nothing will show up. That's why it is useful what we saw before about the expand all nodes by hidden asterisk in the numpad, because if I do that, I expand all the nodes and I can see here the matches. So that's very useful. And the last thing, if you want to move files around, just click and drag them where you want them to be. For example, if I have here package.com and I want my interface to be within the package.com, just click and drag within that package. You can just move the file or move the file taking into account the rules of the language you are using. That means you are going to look for all references to that language object and you are going to change them accordingly in order to be consistent. So you just hit refactor and that's all.